So hello everyone, I'm Crypto Noobs. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Stellar XLM. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis as well as a few other big things. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. Let's see if we can smash this video over 300 likes, and I also want to know down below, what price do you think XLM could be by the end of 2021? With that, let's jump straight into the video. Just quickly, only 20% of you that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you are new around here or regular, hit the subscribe button as it is free and you can always unsubscribe later if you do not enjoy my content. So I'll start off by taking a look at the market as a whole. Overall, over the past 48 hours, the market has taken a big hit, probably because of the XRP lawsuit, but we are starting to see prices recover. We have seen price corrections like this in cryptocurrency time and time again, and we have seen it recover over and over again. So just remember, these are the best times to buy when the market is in the red, and patience is what will make you a winner. Bitcoin is at $23,356, Ethereum is at $595, XRP is down to 25 cents, Litecoin is at $107, Cardano is at 15 cents, Polkadot is at $5.12, Chainlink is at $11.13, and Stellar is at 15 cents. But in today's video we are going to be taking a look at the latest news to do with Stellar, so let's jump straight into the first article. And this article says SDF invests $3 million into Lumens XLM in Settle Network. The Stellar Development Foundation is investing $3 million into Lumens XLM in the Settle network. The investment is focused on supporting the network's product growth. The Stellar Development Foundation, SDF, which supports the development and growth of the Stellar XLM network, yesterday announced a strategic investment in the Settle network. Settle Network is SDF's fourth investment from the Enterprise Fund, following DSTOQ, Satoshi Pay, and Abra. Settle Network, the largest digital asset settlement network in Latin America for exchanges and cross-border payments, will receive up to $3 million in Lumens XLM from the Stellar Development Foundation. This brings the total investment from the Enterprise Fund to $9.2 million. And it says down here, Stellar and Settle Network target the stablecoin market in LATAM. As the announcement states, Settle Network aims to serve the massive increase in demand for stablecoins in 2020. To that end, the project recently announced the launch of the world's first stablecoin exchange, StableX. Furthermore, Settle has developed a strong foothold in Latin America through the fiat to crypto offering. This includes the network's home country, Argentina, which offers the third largest market in Latin America. The country has a population of 44.5 million, where most assets still are held in physical paper. When we started Settle, we chose to build on Stellar because its technology is designed for global interoperability, and that has enabled us to create a thriving stablecoin business in LATAM and expand our product offering to launch the world's first stablecoin exchange and stablecoin gateway, StableX. There is no better partner for us than SDF, who matches our core values as we take our technology to the next level, opening a new world of possibilities for international remittance and cross-border payments. As Crypto News Flash reported, the Settle Network made headlines in November when it launched two Stellar-based stablecoins with the BRLT and the Argentine peso. Both stablecoins are backed 100% by the Brazilian currency and the Argentine peso. In addition, both stablecoins are said to include bank-graded KYC verification, AML controls, and blockchain monitoring. So overall, this is good news for Stellar because we are seeing growth still happening while the market is in the red. This is good news because it shows that cryptocurrency is not going anywhere and we are seeing continued growth happening on a daily basis. I want to know down below, do you think this partnership will benefit Stellar XLM? This is the next article I want to show you, and it says a Euro stablecoin launched on Stellar by one of Europe's oldest banks. The EURB is fully regulated and backed 100% by Euros, allowing banks and institutional investors to use the cryptocurrency without exposure to counterparty risk. Germany's BVDH has launched a Euro stablecoin on the Stellar network. The bank claims the token is the first of its kind to be issued by a banking institute. The EURB stablecoin, which went live last week, was developed on the Stellar blockchain in partnership with tokenization and digital asset custody technology provider Bitbond. If a customer wants to acquire the stablecoin, a fiat currency transfer is held in an escrow account at the BVDH, which triggers the issuance of the EURB. The announcement states that the developments of the financial applications can immediately utilize the token to settle asset transfers on-chain. The underlying platform, built by Bitbond, gives full control of stablecoin security to the bank, including mechanisms for burning and minting the token. BVDH's managing director said that we were drawn to Bitbond and Stellar due to the ease in which assets are issued and managed on the network. It was stated that the EURB's first use case will be for cross-border money transfer for blockchain payments company Satoshi Pay's business customers. The lack of fully licensed banks backing today's stablecoins is the main shortfall. BVDH's business development manager stated, "Banks normally wouldn't feel comfortable using stablecoins like Tether or USDC due to the potential counterparty risk that is behind them. They prefer to work with stablecoins issued by banks, and the same is true for institutional investors." So overall, we are seeing a lot of big names going to the Stellar blockchain. Is it becoming a go-to blockchain? As I've said before, short term at the moment with cryptocurrency, it is not looking good, but as I always say, these are some very good buying opportunities. But long term, we have seen an unbelievable amount of growth in cryptocurrency this year. It has been making headlines and it has drawn millions and millions of people to the market. I personally do not think that 2021 is going to be any different, and I just think this is a small bump in the road. Now, this is the last article I want to show you before we take a look at our price analysis, and this one says Securrency develops Stellar XLM based marketplace for financial instruments. Securrency has launched a pilot project that stimulates a marketplace that complies with regulations of various international jurisdictions. The marketplace uses the Stellar network to process transactions in real time at low cost. The Securrency's upcoming lawsuit against Ripple shows that cloudy and lacking regulatory framework in the financial industry can block innovation. Although prudent and financial market regulation fosters a vibrant and competitive ecosystem, the ever faster development of new technologies puts constant strain on regulatory frameworks and regulators. However, to create a marketplace that meets various requirements of international jurisdictions, IT security company Securrency has launched a pilot project at the request of security regulators that can be flexibly designed and thus adapted to the legal frameworks of different countries. The marketplace is said to have the ability to build into the asset itself, set rules that define acceptable security regulations, holding periods and exclusions of multiple jurisdictions. Furthermore, these rules should be automated for primary as well as secondary cross-border market transactions without the need for further adjustments. The pilot project relies on the Stellar Lumens network to process cross-border transfers and implement the legal requirements. Here, it is possible for the issuers of the digital asset to integrate self-executing regulatory policies into a given securities token through an intuitive plain text interface. Importantly, these policies are machine-readable representations of security regulations that can be interpreted on-chain through an instance of Securrency's policy engine built directly into the Stellar ledger and off-chain simultaneously for security and auditability. More and more companies are turning to the Stellar blockchain. As Crypto News Flash previously reported, the number of companies using the Stellar blockchain and XLM token has grown by over 250 this year. Stellar provides a versatile infrastructure to process cross-border payments cheaply and quickly. Most recently, the Stellar Development Foundation announced the launch of the USDC stablecoin on the Stellar blockchain in February 2021. So overall, even though the SEC are going in quite hard on Ripple at the moment, I personally do not think this will affect the cryptocurrency market for too long. We have seen correction after correction after correction this year, and time again it has recovered. Going into 2021, think of all the good things we have to look forward to with Theta token, with Zilliqa, with Stellar. There are so many big cryptocurrencies out there, including Chainlink, as well as many others like Cardano, etc., that have so many big things coming next year. It should be a very exciting 2021. Things are going to get stricter, but things are also going to get a lot better. I want to know your thoughts down below. What cryptocurrencies do you think will come out on top next year? To finish off today's video, we are going to be taking a look at price analysis to do with Stellar, and if I show you this chart here, as you can see here, Stellar basically bottomed over the past 48 hours at 10 cents. Now that, in my opinion, is still a neutral zone. It is a very key level, 10 cents, and we did stay above it, which is very important. I personally think if we did see below 10 cents, it would end up going to the next resistance level, which would be about 7 cents. But in my opinion, I personally think anything above 10 cents is neutral for Stellar, and I think it is a good buying opportunity considering the future it could possibly have. For Stellar to be in a very bullish motion, I think we would have to see above the levels of 17 cents again, which we are not far off. I personally think this was a very quick correction purely because of the whole Ripple lawsuit, but the crypto market in general does need to see these corrections to be able to have a healthy future. If Stellar can break above that 17 cents level, I personally think the next targets are 19 cents and back above those 22 cents mark. If we can hit above the 24 cents mark, we will be in a very bullish territory. But overall, I think so far we are heading into that bullish territory after hitting the neutral phase. We did have a very quick flash crash to 10 cents, but now things are looking good again. Remember, these things happen in cryptocurrency time and time again, and it's all about the recovery that is the most important, which cryptocurrency seems to always do. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have here the official Crypto Noobs Patreon. We have 2 memberships at the moment. We have the Little Supporter membership, where you can support me making more videos for you guys, and you'll be entered into monthly giveaways. We also have here the Diamond membership, where if you need any help at all with your cryptocurrency, whether you're new, just getting started, or you're struggling, I can help you to the best of my ability that you need, as well as 24/7 support and a personal thank you on my YouTube channel. Our aim is to try and build one of the strongest crypto communities out there. If you want to check it out, I'm going to leave a link in the description and in the pinned comments down below. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you have enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. Let's see if we can smash that 300 like target, and I also want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. I just want to say I hope every single one of you have a happy Christmas, happy holidays, or happy Hanukkah, or just a happy new year. Thank you so much for the incredible support you guys have been showing me over this past year, and I hope every single one of you the best of luck in 2021. Things are looking incredibly bright for cryptocurrency, and we are all in this space together, and we are almost across the finish line. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been Crypto Noobs. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Peace.